said that the production of trains with maximum speed would be expedited. For this, the capacity of railways will also be expanded. Apart from fulfilling its requirements, railways will also export bogies. The railway minister said that with modern technology in the new Vande Bharat trains, the facilities of the passengers have been taken care of. Antivirus system was also installed in the air conditioner of the coach Jagran Bureau, New Delhi, India. An importer of high-speed wheels of trains has now started preparing to walk on the path of becoming an exporter. For this, the Railways has invited domestic private companies to manufacture high-speed rail wheels. In order to give special incentives to the companies, the Railways will give at least a guarantee from them. There is a huge demand for rail wheels to be exported, which companies will produce to buy additional 80,000 rail wheels. It can. Union Railway Minister Ashwani Vaishnav gave high-speed information in the global market. Is the seat can be adjusted according to the convenience of the passengers. Even though the track is filled with water up to 2 feet, there will be no difficulty in running the train. यात्रियों की सुविधा के अनुसार सीट को एडजस्ट किया जा सकता है। ट्रैक भले ही 2 फीट तक पानी से भर गया हो, लेकिन ट्रेन चलाने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी। Thank you for watching my video.